Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your SkinnyRx subscription. Okay, so basically before cancellation you need to keep something in your mind. If you do a mistake while canceling your subscription, then you have to pay you can like 1 month extra fees. Okay, so basically these are the policies like once your prescription has been completed and fulfillment your processing your order will begin, your order become non-refundable. You can note this thing. Okay, and ongoing subscription, if you want to cancel your upcoming deliveries, you can cancel your you can say upcoming deliveries very easily. To avoid your next month of charges, please make sure cancel your subscription before your next shipment is prepared. Okay, so before preparing your next shipment you need to cancel your order. Okay, and once your preparation will done, then you have to pay fees. Okay, so keep this in your mind. Okay, so if we talk about like how to cancel, so basically cancellation is very easy. You need to they have provided you two methods by which you can cancel your subscription. The first thing, you need to call their customer support team, and the phone number is listed on their official website. When you visit on their official website, at the very top side they have provided you phone number, and in the FAQ section they also have provided you phone number. You can dial their number, and once you get in touch with the customer support team, you need to you can say like you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your subscription, and their team will try to attempt pursue your membership to keep your membership. But you need to you can say like you need to provide them a valid reason that you don't want to keep your subscription, you want to cancel your subscription, and they will cancel your subscription, but they will try to keep your subscription. Okay, and please make sure verify cancellation and ensure you receive a confirmation of your cancellation to avoid further charges. Okay, so if you don't get any kind of cancellation proof, then it means your subscription is not cancelled and they will charge on your account in upcoming months. So make sure you get a proof of confirmation. So if phone number is not you can like working, so in that case what you have to do, you need to compose an email. The email format you can see, you need to compose a proper email. In the subject you need to provide you want to cancel your subscription, and in the email you need to provide your name, your email ID, your subscription starting date, end date, and you need to compose an email. And in the email, in the end, you need to ask a proof of cancellation. And once you send your email, the email address you will get on their official website also, and they have provided you can like their email. The email is like support@skinnyRx.com, and once you send your email, they will receive your email and they will provide you a proof of cancellation. And until you don't get any proof of cancellation, keep in touch with the customer support team on updates regarding your cancellation. So but make sure to cancel your subscription at least 10 days, because it will take like 5 to 6 days. Okay, so these are the informations. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.